Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to create a space on ClickUp. Maybe you want to create a structured environment where users can manage tasks, communication, and resources. So today I'm going to show you how to create a space on ClickUp. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open the ClickUp application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you will be taken to the home page. In this page, tap on this freelance icon at the top left corner of the screen. A panel will appear at the left side, and here, tap on Spaces. Now, to create a new space, simply tap on this plus icon at the right side of the Spaces tab. A new window will appear, and here, you can now enter all the details about the space that you want to create. First, type in the space name in this text field. Below, you can choose the public or private space. For example, I want this space to be personal, so I will set it to private. Next, you can also set the statuses and color of the space. For example, I will set the color of the space to yellow. Once you are done setting all the details of your new space, tap on Create to finally generate your new space. After that, you now have successfully created a space on ClickUp. You can now start organizing your projects and tasks in this newly created space. There you go. If you wanted to know how to create a space on ClickUp, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to create a space on ClickUp, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.